have been recording strange noises like this one in Kiev for some time now. Videos filmed all over the world have appeared on YouTube, the first in summer last year. But no one's really sure what they're hearing.
Just heard some mad noises. So I'm gonna go see if I can get some of this on film. Sadie? You hear that? You hear that, Sadie? What is it? What's that noise, Sadie? Oi. What's that noise? Looks like it scared my dog off. What is it, Sid? What's that noise? Freaking the dog out. Shut up, Sid. Go inside. What do you think that is?
I don't know.
You ever heard anything like that before?
It's a little freaky. Sadie, what is it? What is it, Sadie? Go get it.
Get it, Sadie.
Get it, Sadie.
What is it? Oh dear. I don't think it was the noise that knocked the fence down. It sure is making the dog freak out there. Sadie, what is it? Where's it coming from?
Where is it?
There's been a lot of buzz over the last few weeks about strange sounds being heard in the atmosphere. People around the world and here at home have reported hearing some bizarre noises. The latest were recorded in the Battlefords last weekend. John Baglieri has more on the strange occurrence that could have a very logical explanation.
It came in many forms last Sunday night. To some, it sounded like trumpets. To others, a mariner's horn. North Battleford's mayor says he can't explain it.
What I was hearing was what I experienced as a possibly scraping.
Mike Halstead was lying in bed when his phone rang. Calls and text messages came in from his friends saying they too had similar experiences.
That's when the goosebumps got me, and I kind of thought, yeah, it's awfully strange.
Hey, 93.3 The Rock?
The next day, the local radio station The Rock got flooded with over 40 calls and Facebook messages, each person wanting to know what that sound was last night.
I don't think I've ever had a response that big about something, and it's interesting, right? Human nature, people just want to know what the sounds are.
It's now days later and the city is still abuzz with talk about the sounds. Everybody with their own guess, estimation, or explanation as to where they came from.
I've heard Jesus is coming back. I've heard that it's 2012, the world is ending.
This phenomenon stretched beyond North Battleford. Similar experiences were reported in Saskatoon, northern Saskatchewan, and parts of the US, even in Europe. U of S professor Jean-Pierre Saint-Maurice says there is a natural explanation.
Somehow they're picking up noise from an environmental antenna that happens to be there. That is electromagnetic noise. Nice natural noise, but really actually it's not a noise, it's electromagnetic waves emitted from the aurora above our head or emitted from the radiation belts a bit more to the south.
Maurice says it's normal and there's nothing to worry about. Whether a scientific explanation will satisfy all those people who say they heard something they can't explain is up in the air. John Baglieri, CTV News, North Battleford.
Dude,
what's up?
Come with me outside, bro. Check this
What,
out.
dude?
Check this out, dude. You're gonna freak out. Watch. Hurry, hurry, real fast. Hurry, 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 hurry. Dude, for like
what is it?
Like the past 2 minutes, dude, since I was pulling up, man. Watch, check it out. Dude, it's like this loud sound outside, dude. It's like super loud.
What do you mean?
I don't know what it is, dude. Watch. Listen. It's like coming from the sky. Listen. Hear that? Dude, what is that? It's loud, huh? I don't know what it is. It's like coming. I don't know where it's coming from.
What is that?
You hear it?
You see anything in the sky?
No. I've been looking.
Dude, what is that?
I've been looking like I can't find nothing, dude.
How long have you been hearing it for?
Like 2 minutes. I don't know what it is. I have no idea.
People over there across the street.
I know.
Get up in the sky. What is that? That is freaking weird.
The sound we're talking about is a nighttime nuisance, and it's taken over otherwise peaceful neighborhoods in Windsor. Not only is it keeping families from sleeping, they worry the strange hum just may be affecting their health. They say the cause is coming from our country.
It's really, really irritating.
It's relentless. It doesn't seem to let up.
It sounded like there was a deep resonating bass.
You think there's a tank moving in your neighborhood, or there's a truck idling outside your window.
It's a tough sound to reproduce for television, but Windsor residents say it's a low, consistent rumbling, a pulsating sound deeper than distant thunder that shakes their homes.
Got my rabbit standing up. Check them out. That's scary shit. Holy. sounds like, oh no, in the sky, really hard to see. They're fucking just all clouds too.
Esa pinche güey. Oye, y está raro, man. ¿Qué es esa pincha? ¿Qué es esa pincha? La verdad. Esa pincha, güey.
Listen to the freaky background noise. I think it was caused by a thunder and lightning hitting the audio system. Verlander pitching.
What do you think that is?
I don't know.
You ever heard anything like that before?
It's real freaky. See, what is it, Sadie? Go get it.
Get it, Sadie.
Get it, Sadie.
What is it? Oh dear.
People have been recording strange noises like this one in Kiev for some time now. Videos filmed all over the world have appeared on YouTube, the first in summer last year. But no one's really sure what they're hearing.
I don't think it was the noise that knocked the fence down. Sure is making the dog freak out now. Say, what is it? Where's it coming from?
Ring.
Just heard some mad noises. So I'm gonna go see if I can get some of this on film. Sadie? You hear that? You hear that, Sadie? What is it? What's that noise, Sadie? Oi. What's that noise? Looks like it scared my dog off. What is it, Sid? What's that noise? Freaking the dog out. Chill out, Sid. Go inside.